एसपी साहब आ रहे हैं, उसके बाद इसको अभी एसपी साहब आ रहे हैं, अभी एसपी साहब अभी एसपी साहब आ रहे हैं, उन लोग जो बैठा था तब एसपी साहब नहीं आया।
This is not a first time. This has been several times. From Auxilium till this place, they were being pushed. By these people, by the Lutheran, they were not allowed to sell. This is not a first instance. You can ask these club people also. So many times, and even last Friday to Friday, after the relaxation of lockdown, from Telamura, they came to sell here, our people. But they were warned not to sell. And today, the person came with a vehicle to Obi, and he comes from the Uttar Maharani, from Telamura. And he said, I will kill you along with the Bolero. What is this? This is not only the ST atrocity, but this is also the racial discrimination. This is not a crime. Since today is Sunday, they don't come. Otherwise, weekdays you will find quite many of our ladies coming from rural area. But why this law takes only law is for them, law is not for us? Where is our right? When also there were many complaints and there was a negotiation within the club and other things. Police earlier, whether they have informed or not, I have not done. But they came, they haven't knowledge. But today we have already written for the police complaint. We have also already informed and we sent for the Xerox copy to keep receipt copy. After that, you have assured, your police has assured that you will arrest him. But again, and you see, they are coming
from the vehicle, just think it.
They are coming towards communal. Yeah, as per their version. In the eye of law, how can they snatch from the hand of the police? So police is not doing their duty. If the law speaks, the police is not doing their duty. But for us, you are saying that you have to take law into your hand. But for them, there is no law. They don't even respect police. But whereas we respect police, we salute police and we cooperate. And we are not against any community, but we are against the person who has committed a crime.
How many of them?
Not today, one. Yes, one. So we cannot even arrest one person. And while we have to complain the entire people, then what would be your position in them?